What's the meaning of buttonhole? Buttonhole. Buttonhole.
Buttonhole. Buttonhole. The term buttonhole refers to a small slit or hole in clothing or fabric, used for fastening a button. It is typically found on the front of shirts, jackets, and blouses, and is designed to allow the corresponding button to be passed through, holding the garment together. Buttonholes can be made by cutting a small slit in the fabric and then sewing the edges to prevent fraying, or they can be finished with a bound or welted edge for added durability. Overall, buttonholes are an essential component of many types of clothing, helping to keep the garment securely closed and in place.